वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, साबूद आनी भलायकेन. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल Chettinad masala. Okay, so for that we need, and the Chettinad masala, dry masala spices is this what we need. You can use any type of chilies. I am using Kashmiri chilies, that is around 5. Small stone flour. Then this is around half teaspoon, you can say teaspoon, or 2 sticks. I have broken it into small cinnamon sticks. Then this is around half teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, and this is around 2 tablespoon of coriander seeds. So this is all what we need for dry spices, and we have to roast this all. Now the wet ingredients what we need is 3 onions. You can use baby shallot also. So this is 3 onions. We have to finely chop this. Then we need spiciness is according to you. So I am using this which is very spicy, 2 of this, and this is semi spicy, so 4 of this. But if you are using spicy and you want very spicy, then you can increase the chilies in number. 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Now you will wonder why this is green, because in this also when I grind and I keep, I use green chili in that. And this is 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, few curry leaves. So this is for wet ingredients, and this is dry masala. So for this now we have to roast all this without oil. Okay, so here I am dry roasting this, and I must have missed to tell you on the previous when I was telling you. So 3 green cardamom also needed for this. Okay, so we have to roast this and then grind it to a powder. Here is a masala powder ready, and onion chopped, chili chopped. So now let's saute first onion and chili. Now what meat we are using, it's up to you. So today I'm going to use mutton. So today I'm going to use mutton, 1 kg of mutton, and this is nicely washed. 1 kg meat, boneless and with bones. So this is 1 kg meat. Okay, so we will cook this in open pan. Salt I have not added for this, we'll add it later. Okay, so we'll add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed to the oil. Oil you can use any oil. If you want to use coconut oil, you can use coconut oil, but you can use any oil. And this I will add onto this. Now we will add our onion and chilies. And fry this very nicely, golden brown. Now we will add turmeric powder and our ginger and garlic paste. Low flame. Onion have become soft now and cooked. Now we will add our mutton. And we'll cook this mutton till it is done. Then we will add our Chettinad dry masala. We'll add water also in this. Low flame. Now at this point either you can cook the mutton meat in pressure cooker 4 whistles, depending on the meat, 4, 5, it depends on the meat what you bring, tender or it is little bit bigger one. But yes, so we'll add some water to this, like around half cup. Let me fry this first nicely. Then we'll add water. I fried for 5 minutes. Now I will add this water. 1 cup. Cover this and cook this till the mutton is nicely done. So we have not added salt yet. Let this get cooked, then we will add salt also and our dry powder also. Now it's 10 minutes and let's add our Chettinad masala to this powder. Salt to taste. Salt to taste, and we will mix this nicely. And cook this for on a low flame till the meat is done. Check the salt if needed, add accordingly. Check the salt. Perfect. We'll cover this and cook the meat. Low flame till the mutton is cooked, or you can, if you are in hurry, cook it in pressure cooker. After 30 minutes, our Mutton Chettinad is ready. You can see the oil and Mutton is cooked with its own flavors inside. So hope you will enjoy this mutton chettinad. And now we will add, if you have more curry leaves, you can add more curry leaves. So this is from my home garden. Flavor, and it's done. So hope you all will enjoy this mutton chettinad and make this recipe and have it with whatever you want to have. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां ही आवडटली ही मटनाची कोडी. नांव जावन आसा चेतिनाद. करून पळयात. सगळो मसालो आमचो ऑलमोस्ट सेम जे आमी आमच्या शाकोतीक घालता पळय तशेंच आसा. भाजूंक जाय मसालो आनी घालूंक जाय, पूण नाल्ल ना. ओके, thank you so much. देव बरें करूं.
Here is a Chettinad curry. Yummy, tasty mutton Chettinad curry. Thank you.